Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Since updating on iOS, lots of users are facing battery draining issue. Here I will show you how to fix this issue. You have to turn on and off some features to prevent your iPhone from battery draining. Solution 1. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth via control center, they won't turn off completely. So turn them off via settings. Open settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi and turn it off. Then go back. Tap on Bluetooth. Turn it off. Solution 2. Turn on reduce white point. To do this, go to settings app. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap display and text size. Scroll down to find reduced white point. Then turn on this feature if it's turned off. This always makes your iPhone dimmer. Solution 3. Use dark mode. If you have no problem with dark mode, then switch it from light mode. Using light mode sucks your battery than dark mode. To do this, go to settings app. Scroll down. Tap on display and brightness. Select dark. Solution 4. Turn off listen for Hey Siri. If you don't use Siri frequently, turn off this feature. First, open settings app. Find and tap on Siri and search. Turn off listen for Hey Siri. Solution 5. Turn off location services. To do that, open settings app. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services and turn it off. Solution 6. Turn off auto brightness. When this feature is turned on, it will adjust your screen brightness according to the lighting condition. It may also one of the reason for battery draining. To turn off these features, launch settings app. Scroll down, tap on accessibility. Here tap on display and text size. Scroll down and turn off auto brightness. Solution 7. Turn off background app refresh. You can turn off background app refresh completely or else turn off for particular apps. To do this, open settings apps. Tap on general. Tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh. Select off. If you don't want to app refresh in background, you can select according to your needs. Then go back. Here turn off apps you don't want to running in the background. If any app are running background, first close them when you are not using your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.